Habaraki ya ka azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav bat hapok ka jingpi ka tenat kolshor ka Sarkar India lapan long ya ka tenra jong ka long renyang kabadai ka program ban kan mau ya kiriu krau ka jela da ka Shillong Law College ringkat bat ka Positive Energy Art Foundation ka lapan long ya ka National Seminar bat ka National Art Workshop ha ka jela nadu menta ka singi hadu ka lai terik unailur ha ususu tham auditorium. Habakran hakani singi Commissioner ba Secretary Katanat Arts and Culture ba Frederick Roy Kharkongor ulaang ba kapang pedeng katenrai jong kalong renyang kabakran Jepang kajing long tenrai kalong kamat kabayahap ha amtang bat kajing dap nyupusan snam henrai ru hakipor ke benang wan namar ngidei ban kan mau ya kanu hakanu kerukom ngilayo ya kajing lait luj ulayaro ya Sarkar India ba Katanat Culture ban pen Pau nam ya kiriu krang kum utirut sing sim ukiang nongba bat upatugan sangma ki balaya kun persya ya ki doli tang dau knam bat kerenti.
Your very theme katnrai jonga longrenyen which talks about the roots of identity, I think is something which is very relevant not only for 75 years but for all time to come. I would like to appreciate the Government of India and the Ministry of Culture for putting a spotlight on the unsung heroes, on the leaders such as Tirot Singh and Kyang Nongba and Patogan Sangma, who in a sense are the precursors to the Indian national movement.